All right, what's going on, everyone? It's Jimbo. I wanted to come back, and I'm holding my phone because my contraption wasn't working, but I just wanted to hop in for a daily detail tip brought to you by the Detailer Inner Circle. And today's detail tip is going to be about cleaning glass. Now, I have said for a really long time that I think, my personal opinion is that the most important part of a detail is glass cleaning. So I actually have a tip on glass cleaning that I heard just yesterday, in fact, that I'm gonna do a video on, or I got to test first to see if it works, and then do a video on. But make sure you're getting streak-free glass. Now, I have a couple videos if you want to see on some tips on how to make sure you're getting streak-free glass and how to manage that. But focus all your effort, well, not all your efforts, but focus your efforts on making sure that glass is streak-free and clean. It makes all the difference.